going to learn Lesson 2 in math, which is subtraction. Now, before I get into the video, I need to remind you to hit that like button and subscribe, then hit the bell icon so that you are notified every single time I upload a video. Number 2, I'm creating a Discord server for me and you guys to talk together. If you don't know what Discord is, it's basically like Google Hangouts or iMessage. It's a way for people to talk, and a server is a collaboration of channels, I guess you could call it, that people could talk on. And I'm doing this as a chance for you guys to talk to me and say like what needs improving on the channel or something like that. So just hit the link in the description. It's an invite link to the Discord server, and I will see you on the Discord server. But for now, let's talk about subtraction. First off, parents, if you guys are homeschooling your children and using these videos to do it, I need to warn you first. Do not, I repeat, do not give them equations like this. They have to be in greatest to least order, because or else you'll end up getting a negative number. So 3 minus 6 would equal negative 3. But 6 minus 3 would equal 3. This is the answer we want. We don't want this answer. So let's get into the video. Alright, so the first problem is 12 minus 6. Okay, so just like in the addition video, if you guys are following along with me, we have to stack these. So we've got 12 minus 6, okay? Now, hold on. I'm trying to think for a second. Oh, right, now I remember. What you want to do is do 2 minus 6 first. We'll say that can't work because that's in least to greatest order. So what you'll do is get rid of this and get rid of this, turn it into a 0. And basically what you're getting from the 1, now a 0, is 10 units plus the original 2. So you have 12 right there, and now you can do 12 minus 6. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky because the original equation was already 12 minus 6. But if you can try to count on your fingers and remember where the 10s are, go right ahead. But we know that 12 minus 6 is 6. So there we go. Next, we have 5 minus 2. Again, got a stack. So 5 minus 2. And also, make sure you're not putting the plus sign there. No. You want to make sure you're putting a dash there that symbolizes subtraction. Okay? So, now, count on your fingers with me for a second. This one's a little easier to do. Raise 5 fingers. That's one whole hand. And I want you to put 2 down for a second. That's where the 2 comes from. Now count your fingers. What do you have? The answer? 3. The other way I like to look at it is like this. Here is 5 marbles. Give me 2. So you get rid of those and get rid of those because this and this are the same, and this are the same. So now what do you have left? 3. That's just an easy graphic way to do this. But anyway, you've seen the answer is 3. Oh shoot, my undo is out. I can just erase this. Anyway, the next equation will be, trying to look at my notes here, 15 minus 12. So, let's do this. Now, if you're like me, I always went with the marble way. But, the marble way is just a graphic representation that can actually be done easily in the head. So, here, let's do the original way. So let's do 5 minus 2. What do you get? 3. So now we know 5 minus 2 is valid. Let's do this. 1 minus 1 is nothing. So 0. So the answer is 3. Also, by this point I should mention that the answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. So think about it. The difference between 15 and 12 was 3, right? So, the space in between 12 and 15 is 3. That's just another way that you can do subtraction. There's just really a lot of ways that you can do subtraction. Anyway, let's do one final one, which is 6 minus 2. This is just a generally simple one. So, stack it. And again, let's do the marble thing this time. Sorry, there was a hair on my screen. It was bothering me. So let's do the marble trick again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give me 2. So let's get rid of the 2. Get rid of 2 on this side as well. And now you have 4. So the answer to this subtraction problem is 4. Alright, in the subtraction video, in the description, I said that next video I would have a PDF of questions you could give to your child. So in this video, I did that. The PDF link will be in the description. That's basically the download, but you can preview it as well. So, other than that, I really have nothing to show you else. Also, those kids that want to learn how to do equations like 3 minus 6, you will get to learn that in a video coming out shortly called Negative Numbers. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyway, as always, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you are notified every single time I upload a video. And that's it. See ya!